Why trading fascinates millions, but misleads many. Trading is one of the most fascinating activities of the modern world. It promises freedom. It promises independence. It promises money without bosses, without schedules, without limits. Every day, millions of people open their phones, scroll through social media, and see traders flashing profits, luxury cars, screenshots of massive gains, and captions that say, "Anyone can do this. Just follow my strategy. Financial freedom is one trade away." But here is the uncomfortable truth. Trading fascinates millions and destroys most of them. Not because trading is a scam, not because markets are evil, but because people are sold illusions instead of reality. This video exists for one reason only: to replace confusion with clarity. No hype, no fake motivation, no promises of quick riches. Only truth. By the end of this video, you will understand what trading really is, why most people fail, what skills actually matter, and whether trading is truly for you. If you were looking for shortcuts, this video is not for you. If you were looking for honesty, stay until the end. The origins of trading, from barter to Wall Street. To understand trading, we must first understand why markets exist at all. From barter to money. Thousands of years ago, there were no charts, no platforms, no brokers. People traded goods directly: wheat for meat, tools for clothing, livestock for land. This system was inefficient, so money was invented as a medium of exchange. Once money existed, prices were born, and once prices existed, markets were inevitable. Early markets. Markets formed wherever people gathered: town squares, ports, trade routes. Prices moved based on scarcity, demand, fear, hope. Sound familiar? Human psychology has never changed, only the tools have. The birth of financial markets. Fast forward to the 1600s, the first stock exchange appears in Amsterdam. Shares of companies are traded publicly. For the first time, people could own parts of businesses, speculate on future value. This was the birth of investing and trading as we know it. Investing versus trading. This distinction is critical. Investing, long-term, focused on business value. Patience is rewarded. Trading, short to medium term, focused on price movement, precision, and timing matter. Most beginners confuse the two and pay the price. The rise of retail traders. The internet changed everything. Suddenly, anyone with a phone could trade. Platforms became cheap and accessible. Leverage multiplied gains and losses. This democratization was powerful and dangerous because access increased faster than education. Core concepts, the language of the markets. Before strategies, before indicators, before psychology, you must understand the mechanics. Supply and demand, the only law that matters. Every price movement is caused by one thing only: imbalance between buyers and sellers. More buyers, price rises. More sellers, price falls. Indicators don't move markets. News doesn't move markets. Orders do. Everything else is interpretation. Liquidity. Liquidity is how easily an asset can be bought or sold. High liquidity, tighter spreads, faster execution, lower manipulation risk. Low liquidity, sudden spikes, slippage, traps for beginners. Professionals love liquidity. Amateurs chase volatility. Volatility. Volatility is how much price moves. High volatility, opportunity, danger. Low volatility, stability, patience required. Most traders blow accounts not because they were wrong, but because volatility exceeded their risk control. Order types. Understanding orders is non-negotiable. Market order, instant execution, no price control. Limit order, price control, no execution guarantee. Stop loss, protection against catastrophic loss. A trader without a stop loss is not brave, he is irresponsible. Asset classes. Each market has a personality. Stocks driven by earnings, sentiment. Forex driven by macroeconomics. Commodities driven by supply cycles. Crypto driven by narrative and speculation. No market is easier, only different. Trading psychology, the real battlefield. If trading were purely technical, everyone would be rich. But trading is not fought on charts, it is fought in the mind. Fear. Fear makes traders exit early, miss opportunities, hesitate. Fear is natural, but unmanaged fear is lethal. Greed. Greed whispers, one more trade, just a bit more leverage. This time is different. Greed turns winners into losers. Overconfidence. A few wins can be more dangerous than losses. Overconfidence leads to bigger risk, ignoring rules, account destruction. Real stories of collapse. There are traders who turned thousands into millions, lost everything due to arrogance. Markets forgive ignorance faster than ego. Building mental resilience. Professional traders detach from outcomes, follow process over emotion, treat losses as business expenses. Your goal is not to be right. Your goal is to be consistent. Strategies and approaches. Styles, not secrets. There is no holy grail, only methods aligned with personality. Day trading, fast decisions, high stress, requires discipline. Swing trading, balanced, more forgiving, ideal for most traders. Position trading, long-term, requires patience, less screen time. Technical versus fundamental. Technical analysis, timing, structure, probability. Fundamental analysis, context, bias, long-term direction. Professionals often combine both. Risk-reward. Winning isn't about accuracy, it's about asymmetry. A trader who wins 40% of trades can be profitable if risk is controlled. Myths and dangers. The lies that destroy accounts. Myth, trading is a quick path to wealth. Truth, trading is a slow path to mastery. Leverage traps. Leverage magnifies discipline, mistakes. Most accounts die from over-leverage. Risk management failure. One bad trade should never end a career. If it does, your risk was wrong. Famous collapses. 2008 financial crisis. Long-term capital management. Even geniuses fail without humility. Practical guidance. How to start without destroying yourself. Start small. Capital is not the goal. Skill is. Choose the right broker. Regulation, transparency, execution quality. Build a trading plan. A trader without a plan is gambling. Your plan must define entry, exit, risk, review process. Use demo accounts wisely. Demo is for process, not ego. Conclusion. The truth you must accept. Trading is not luck. Trading is not talent. Trading is not intelligence. Trading is discipline, risk control, emotional mastery. Most will quit. A few will persist. The market doesn't reward desire. It rewards preparation. If you choose this path, choose it with respect, because the market is the greatest teacher and the most unforgiving one. Subscribe to this channel if you're serious about understanding trading the right way, with discipline, clarity, and logic.